LG has shattered the mold of what a television can be with the introduction of the signature OLED, the world's first wireless transparent OLED TV. This revolutionary device is not just a technological marvel, it's a reimagining of how we interact with entertainment in our homes. A canvas of transparency. The star of the show is undoubtedly the transparent OLED panel. When turned off, the 77-inch screen virtually disappears, transforming into a window showcasing your living space. It's an awe-inspiring sight, eliminating the domineering presence of a traditional TV and creating a sense of openness and airiness. But the magic doesn't stop there. Turn it on, and the panel comes alive with stunning 4K visuals, blending seamlessly with the real world behind it. Imagine watching fish swim through a virtual aquarium superimposed on your actual fish tank, or following chefs cook in a transparent screen above your kitchen counter. The possibilities for immersive and interactive experiences are endless. Innovation under the hood. The magic of the OLED goes beyond the mesmerizing screen. LG has packed it with cutting-edge technology to ensure a seamless and wire-free experience. The Zero Connect box transmits 4K images and sound wirelessly, eliminating cable clutter and freeing up your space. The Alpha 11 AI processor, 4 times more powerful than its predecessors, ensures optimal picture quality and performance, optimizing content to look its best on the transparent canvas. A glimpse, not a replacement. However, it's important to remember that the OLED is a pioneer in its field. While image quality is impressive, particularly with the contrast curtain raised, it doesn't quite match the peak brightness and vibrancy of standard OLED TVs. Additionally, the transparency effect varies depending on the content and ambient light. Watching a movie in daylight, for instance, won't deliver the same punch as a darkened room. The verdict. The LG OLED is a revolutionary piece of technology, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from a television. It's a conversation starter, a centerpiece for your home, and a glimpse into the future of entertainment. While it may not be the perfect replacement for your current TV just yet, it's a bold step towards a more immersive and integrated viewing experience. If you're an early adopter seeking the cutting edge, the OLED is definitely worth a look. Just be prepared for a hefty price tag, as this technological marvel comes at a premium. Overall, innovation. Groundbreaking transparent OLED panel, wireless connectivity, powerful AI processor. Experience. Immersive and interactive, redefines how we watch TV. Image quality. Impressive for a transparent display, but not quite on par with standard OLEDs. Value. Cutting-edge technology comes at a premium price. Final thoughts. The LG OLED is a game-changer, not just for TVs, but for the way we think about technology in our homes. It's a glimpse into a future where screens become windows, blurring the lines between entertainment and reality. While it may not be for everyone, the OLED is a testament to LG's daring spirit and a sign of what's to come in the world of home entertainment.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.